Introducing the Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner. With benefits of more power and efficiency, the demand of diesel-driven vehicles is at an all-time high. Many car manufacturers have adopted DPF technology as an exhaust emissions reduction technique. This technique captures carbon and ash deposits in a filter, and once sensors relay back to the engine management system, the filter is full. The DPF heats up and by means of combustion reduces the exhaust matter. This is known as regeneration. Regeneration typically occurs after extended periods of driving. Given the majority of vehicle trips are shorter than the period of time that regeneration occurs, particulate filters can become blocked. A blocked particulate filter results in a range of problems, including spluttering and stalling. Ultimately, workshop attention will be required. The solution: Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner. Worth's highly effective, unique, non-flammable, neutral ash and metal-free blend loosens and removes carbon and ash deposits from diesel particulate filters. To apply the product, first always remember to wear appropriate safety equipment, which is also available from Worth. Remove the temperature pressure sensor from the DPF. Insert the special application nozzle through the opening in the direction of the particulate filter. Move the nozzle around the inside of the DPF while spraying the chemical. Worth DPF Cleaner evaporates without leaving any residue behind. Once applied, regeneration is initiated passively or actively. Depending on the size and the blockage, up to 1 can be used on a standard vehicle. By choosing to use Worth DPF Cleaner, you will avoid costly tooling, save setup time thanks to the simple can and applicator hose, save time avoiding the removal of particulate filters for manual cleaning, save your customers money avoiding costly replacement of the DPF filters. In this case, it may cost many thousands of dollars. Worth Diesel Particulate Filter Cleaner, the fast, effective solution for vehicles using DPF technology.